In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Downstream O2 sensor on your Kia Soul. It's located underneath and also under the hood. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take off our negative battery terminal. Once it's loose, you can just wiggle it off and set it off to the side, not touching any metal. Take your connector and pull it away from the back of the engine. There's a little grommet thing it's attached to right here. Push down on this tab and disconnect the connector. And now take it out of the holders, running down the back of the engine. Using an O2 sensor socket and a 3/8 ratchet, and crack this guy loose and take it out. Once you crack it loose, and take it out the rest of the way. Typically, after you crack it loose, it's not too hard to get out the rest of the way. So I'm going to take off my socket and do it by hand. Take it out. Make sure you take off this little plastic cap before installing. We're going to put our O2 sensor in now. I have my wire taped up with painter's tape so it's easier to put in there. I'll just tighten it in there by hand first. And then I'm going to try to torque it, if we can get a torque wrench in there, to 28 foot-pounds. If we can't, we're going to just tighten it up and then go another quarter of a turn. All right, we are torqued. So now you can take this off, and we're going to go up top to feed the wire up and plug it in. I'm going to take off our tape. If you used it, now's a good time to do that. And you're going to pull the wire up the back of the engine. Clip it into its brackets as you go. There's one there and there's one here. Connect our connector. Make sure you hear that click. And now you're going to press it into the back of the engine, into the bracket. This is the push-on kind. So this is going back into the bracket. There we go. Let's install our negative battery terminal. Make sure you press it all the way in. And tighten it up with a 10mm socket. Once it's snug, check to make sure it doesn't wiggle, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.